this paper, get this cake up. Gotta do my hair, gotta put on makeup. Gotta act like I care about this fake stuff, straight up.
Welcome back to my channel. As you've seen on my display picture, I am dyeing my hair. And I'm going to be dyeing it this color right here by Dark and Lovely, color number 74, Radiant Copper. So I'm a little nervous, to be honest with you. I have dyed my hair in the past, like years ago. I did the Dark and Lovely honey blonde and I loved it. I don't really want to go that route again, but at the same time I'm kind of thinking about it, one because now I'm kind of starting to psych myself out. I was so excited to get my hair dyed roughly around this color because I saw a girl on Instagram with like a rusty coppery hair color. Her hair was in a bun. I'll put the picture in there and I was like, oh my god, this color is gonna be bomb for the summertime. Now that I'm here, I'm kind of scared. One, she probably got that professionally done. If not, she probably, you know, used some sort of different cream. I was going to start off by just coloring my hair and see what happens, but I'm going to go the safe route, which is what they say to do anyways. I am going to do a little sample on one of my braids. I was trying to find a general idea what it would look like on YouTube, but there is no videos. Well, I found two, but they're really old. The other one of them was like from 2014. So you know the cameras back then weren't all that great, or whatever camera she was using was horrible quality, so you couldn't really tell. And then another girl, she did hers and she said she would be back to show us the results, and the video ended. So there's really not much videos out there for this hair color. So I'm looking to maybe help out someone else that might get into my situation and want to know what it looks like on, and we'll be able to see it. So I'm pretty much going to be the test dummy for you guys today. Depending, who knows how this video will go. I might not end up liking the color when I put it on the braids. I might end up going to go get a honey blonde. So I don't know. Well, I don't know how this video is going to end. But we're going to start coloring one of these braids. So I already opened it. So it comes with these. Comes with the typical stuff. And the good thing about it, it comes in numbers. So if anybody's unsure what to do, it's numbered for you. So we got the Intense Conditioning Cream Gel Color. It's number 1. And then we got the Go Intense. Okay? Cream Developer. And then number 3 is the Extra Caring Conditioner. What I find in these dye products, their conditioners are on point. Like the last time I dyed my hair and I used the conditioning moisturizer, my hair felt like butter. And then you have the color booster. And then we got the instructions and the gloves right here. So timing, so the basics, the game timing, process for a total of 20 minutes on relaxed new growth, or a total of 30 minutes on natural new growth. Okay, so I'll do 30 minutes because my hair hasn't been relaxed in months. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the whole thing and put it in here. So number 1 goes in number 2. I'm gonna squeeze all of it in there. Okay, so, and you also have to add the color booster as well. So apparently this is what gives the hair the extra shine and doesn't make it look dull. So your hair shows you, so this is it without it, and then when you use this, it gets shiny. So maybe I shouldn't use it. Maybe it won't be as bright. You know what? Let's do it. So I'm just gonna take it out like this for now. Let's see what it gives me. Okay, so it comes out like purple. Let's see what happens. I should have. Not happening. I did that one with, I mean without, and I'm going to do this with. Oh. Oh, maybe it does need it in there, because now look. See? I need to put subject, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for a second to see if anything happens, but I don't think anything's happening, so I don't think this hair can be dyed. So you know what that means? I'm gonna have to dye my own hair first. While I put the dye on the piece of hair, I decided to pick up some of my hair. In the meantime, I have to do it anyways. And so this is the strand. Nothing has happened. Not a thing. So it's safe to say that this hair cannot be dyed. And like nothing, not even like a streak. Nothing. I'm gonna have to do it on my own hair, unfortunately. But I'm just gonna continue to take out my hair. And I'll see you guys in a second. So I only got some of it out right now. I'm just eager to figure this out. So I'm gonna take just a random strand. Because if I don't like it and I'm going to honey blonde, this one strand is going to be lighter. So if I decide to put my hair up, you won't be able to see it. If I wear it down, you won't be able to see it. So taking a random strand that's anywhere in between my hair. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this one here. Honestly guys, this, the more I'm doing it, I don't know, I think I might cave and go get the honey blonde, man. Alright, so I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, so almost a half an hour has passed. Like I do see a little bit of color. Maybe if I add more, it might change, but I'm getting a general idea of what it's gonna come out to look like. And I don't think I like it, just based on what I see on the sink and everything. And then while I'm taking it out, I just keep looking at the blocks. Like, do I want my hair to look this red, orangey kind of? With that being said, I'm going to pause the video right here. I am going to continue to take my hair out. And I'm going back to the drawing board. I'm already content on dyeing my hair, so that's not going to stop me today. I'm going back to the drawing board. I'm going to go to the hair store, but this time I'm going to go to a different location. This location usually has a little bit more options and see what they're working with. So that was $10 wasted. Maybe I'll give it to my sister or something. Maybe she'll want to dye her hair. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to just continue to take out my hair and go from there. I don't have much left, so I'll see you guys when they come back, I guess. I'm back. And I ended up getting a new color. I'm going to do the honey blonde. I'm not as nervous with this one. The other one I was very nervous, and I think it's because it probably wouldn't have looked that good on me. I put it on the letter one, and I put it on this part. This part is light too. We'll see how that turns out, but regardless, we are going the hell in right now. Going in. So first I'm gonna separate so I'm not wasting. I don't want to waste. Let me separate. I then poured it and saw, scrubbed some pieces, and kept them moving. Let's just do this quickly, shall we? finished the entire bottle. I actually feel that I need more. So I'm actually gonna take the time to run out and get some more while it's penetrating in my hair, just to make sure I get complete coverage. Front is turning very well as everywhere else. My tips are a little suspect. Might not have from the braids. Actually, just want to make sure I get a full proper coverage. I made sure I did my back and my head properly. So it's like on natural hair, which it is, because I haven't relaxed my hair in probably a year or so now. It's a half an hour, so it's actually going to take me about that to go get another box and come back. I'm actually going to cover it. I don't think it says to color it, but I know when you're dyeing your hair, heat is your friend. So I'm going to go the extra mile and color my hair. And because it kind of stinks. It is hot as shit outside. So this is what I had to put on so these go outside and look presentable. We used to rock this hairstyle a lot in my high school days. Alright, let's see what it looks like now. Oh, that's a huge difference. But as I was worried about, the center is not that colored. See? So this time I got the honey blonde, same Dark and Lovely, but I didn't get the glow intense. It's just regular, I guess, not as bright, which is fine. And then the next time I do it, it should become the color I need it to be. But for now, it's a good start. Good start for now. Okay. See you guys when it's washed. So this is it. This is what the hair looks like after it's been washed and blow dried. This is the color of my hair right now. I do want it a little bit more lighter, so I'm hoping the next time I dye my hair, it'll get a little lighter. So far, I like the color. It actually brings out my skin tone a lot. I like it. So this is about a week later since I dyed my hair. I decided to make it into a two-part video. So I'm hoping this time the color will come out closer to this. I did buy 2 boxes, so keep going to get to the color that I want it to be. So this time I properly sectioned it out. In my last video I didn't section it out properly. I just kind of properly sectioned it out. You can see here, look. So here's how we're not going to get that color because it's dark here. So I sectioned out my hair. The 4 parts as recommended. Do the front first, last. And I'm not going to touch my edges until the very end because I don't want it to be over processed. Yeah, that's it. So I already did this. Now I'm just going to get started. I'm going to start with the middle this time because it seems like the middle was a little neglected on the last dyeing attempt. So I'm going to start with the middle of my head is the most unruly part of my head. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start off with the middle. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing throughout the whole part, and I'll see you guys when I am done. Okay, so I finished the process. 7/4. Now for natural hair, it's just to leave it in for 30 minutes. I'm actually going to leave it in a little longer. It's actually been in for a while. I was taking my time, getting every single area, because I really wanted to get to this color. Like, I really, really do. So, I'm actually going to leave it on a little longer than 45 minutes. 30 minutes. I'm actually going to go downstairs and put a plastic bag on my head. Just wait it out, see what happens. So, I'll be back once I'm about to wash it out to see how well it took. Oh God, I'm praying that it lifted well. Okay. Yeah, pretty close. Yeah, pretty close. So I'm going to go wash out my hair now. You guys, I'm done. Okay. So just out of the shower. So I might try a different product that maybe has a higher content bleach. But we'll see when I dry it out how it looks. So I'm gonna dry my hair. I'll be back. Now that it's blow dried and dried, it's a little different. I do notice right here, it's a little darker for whatever reason. So next time I want to touch up that spot, but it's looking more and more like the honey blonde. And the light here is looking a little rusty. But when I went into my room and used my makeup mirror, it's pretty similar to the box. So it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. I feel maybe one more applicant only because the center, see the difference? I want to show you the difference in here. Still doesn't give it a good look on camera. Right here, it's driving me nuts a little bit. It is pretty similar. I'm trying. Pretty close. Pretty close. Not where I want it to be 100%. This is the second dye process. If you guys are looking to dye your hair honey blonde, keep in mind it will take a couple of tries unless you're going to include some bleach in there, which I'm not a professional, so I'm not going to do that. But I might try a different product to see if it'll come out a little better. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.